Okay, here we are again with this model from the first video I've done. Okay, I will try to show you the result of the modifications I did with the spring, the seal, and the hop up. Okay, and as I said, the result is that this airsoft gun can shoot right now 25 grams or 30 grams instead of 12 grams BBs. You will realize it right now from this video, and you can understand that this gun can, after the modification, can shoot 3 times more with more power than the original version. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, as you can see, here are the results. Okay, from the modification, as you see, the 25 grams BBs have made these signs, these spots, okay, to the gun. And of course I will show you the power of this gun with one more example. Okay, I'm taking this hard paper and I will fold it 4 times, and you will see that this gun right now can make a hole to this strong paper. I'm shooting in about 16 feet distance. Nothing. Let's see again. One more try. Nothing again. Okay, as you can see, the BB, okay, go in and went out with distance about 16 to 20 feet, okay, and of course it can shoot longer distances. Thank you very much.